Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Randil Summer Singer from RANDI RAVEL YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to convert HTML button into beautiful hover effect button using CSS. Okay, let's start our video and see how to do it. First, we need to create new folder and create text decoration. In this folder, I am right click, then click open as bracket project. Click the icon displaying the video to see video how to download and install this bracket code editor. Now right click in this area, click new file, then index.html. This is our HTML. After coding HTML, we code CSS. First open bracket, HTML, close the bracket, press enter. Type all in these two tags. Okay. Now I add head tag. In this head tag, we add title tag and type text decoration. Out of this head tag, I am type body tag. In this body tag, I am add anchor tag to add a link to this word. A, keep space, href to refer, and choose hash. You can use any link to this one. Okay, I am close the bracket. Then I am open h1 tag, close this tag, then type text decoration like this. Save this. Open this. You can see like this one. Okay, this is our HTML program. Now we want to program CSS. Right click this area again, click new file, search style.css, press enter. Now we want to link this HTML file and CSS. To link, press enter in this head tag, open new tag link, keep space, rel. Now type style sheet, keep space. Now refer href, then style.css, close the bracket. Like this we can link the style.css file and index.html file. Now save this, go to style.css. First we want to change this font family. To change the font family, come to this website font.google.com and choose Poppins font family. Scroll down. I choose this style bold 700. Click this, select this style. Now click this icon. Click this add import point. In this area you can see a link. Don't copy the style tags, only copy this area. Now go to your bracket project and style.css, then press Ctrl V. After copy, we want to add this add this font style to our this text. First I am type body, open these curly brackets. In these curly brackets I will choose the background color. Background color is for this #0000. Color is black, background color. Out of this body tag, I am open H1 to change the H1 tag. Is called this tag. This text in this H1 tag. Okay, first we want to change the position. I am choose position tag like this. Choose absolute. Then top is equal to 50%. Then left is also 50%. And the transform. Transform is translate to -50% and also -50%. Close this using this tag. Okay. Now I want to change the font family. I use font family tag. This and search Poppins. You can see this Poppins. Close this. Now I change the color. I am change color into white color. Close. Now I save. Go to Chrome. Refresh. Now you can see the font family was changed. Then background color is black. In this tag we put our text into middle. You can see it is in the middle. Now we want to add the background transparent. Press enter. Again search background. Then transparent. Close this. Then border, we want to put border, this one. Then border is 4 pixel. It is for the solid color. And choose solid. Keep space. Search #FFF white color border I want. After border we want to add padding. Before padding, I'll save this. Refresh. Then we want to add the padding. Padding is 20 pixel and 34 pixel like this. Okay. Now I am saved. Came out of this H1 tag and I again type H1, these 2 dots and hover. We want to hover this button very smoothly. Now I type, when hover, change the color into #FFF. Change into color white. Then border is also solid. Color is white. Then background also, text background also changing into AL000 maroon color. Like this. Now I am save this. Go to Chrome. Refresh. Now you can can see this is the hover effect. I bought a small this hover effect. Then this hover effect is very beautiful. To do is, I am go to H1 tag, add new one, like transition, and keep transition into 0.5 seconds. I am save this, go to Chrome, refresh. Now you can see this hover effect is very smoothly working. First we add the popping font this time, then change the background color or body color, then change H1, our text is position and the into middle, keep font family into poppins, change the color into white, background is transparent, then border is 4 pixel, padding is 20 pixel and 34 pixel, and our hover transition is keep 0.5 seconds. When hover change into color into white, then border color into white also, then change background color into red color. You can see the HTML file, it is very small. In the head tag you can see title and the link tag CSS and HTML file. You can see like this text decoration, our head. In this body you can see the link, a anchor tag, and refer this. Keep your link in this area. I am choose hash. Okay, in this you can see H1 tag, then text decoration, close the H1 tag, close the anchor tag. It is in this body tag. These all are in HTML tag. I invite for you to visit my official website, link is in the description. Then you can see about my Photoshop edited images, about Premiere Pro, learn programming, my gaming videos and technology updates also you can see on my RANDI RAVEL website. I think this video interest for you and helpful for you. If you like my video, press like button to my video. If you want to get my brand new video quickly, subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon and select all option to get my new videos as a notification to your device. Follow RANDI RAVEL on your social media on scale. Let's meet in brand new video on